Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we at tonight? Me and my boo is going to Cactus Jack, owned by one of my friends, Mr. Victor. And it's always good, but I'm glad to be back. Amazing place. We got that spinach dip last time and we got it again. Never cease to amaze you. And then of course this honky tonk heaven on point. Look at this. I had to give me an old fashioned. Old fashioned that is. Man, if we got those combo fajitas, I'm telling you, the corn tortillas, the marinated meat melt in your mouth. I'm telling you, everything made scratch in-house. Man, all of this is Big Daddy approved. You better like, share, and subscribe. Last but not least, beasting it.